Well. I have consumed all of Sonic's friends and Mario's friends. Hey, you! Wait, what? Oh, I forgot about you, doggo. You killed everyone. You killed everything that dares Bill Hedgehog. You will pay. Then why not come down here and face me with pressure? You did this because of what you did. That's right. Terrence and his minions, even though they are pure evil, but the truth is, I am the evil mastermind this whole time. Terrence, his minions, and also, that's right, from Dino Bambino, the Jupiter, the red monster, even golden paper. I know the past, millions relics. But it doesn't matter anymore, am I? You bastards! I will not let you get away with this! Look around the world. Do you think that this is beyond me? Because I will tell you something, doggo. Because I am good. Why are you doing this to us? Why? Because I was never being kind. But it is because of my own race that I have destroyed them, because I have been tested away from them, because I never have given much love. But it doesn't matter, because I will destroy you right now. All 5 of them. And this is how you will pay. Oh, did I get stronger than before? Well, it doesn't matter. Soon, Sonico, Mario, and Luigi will also be consumed like all the others, so that I could become this omnipotent god. I will never forget you. Terrence, red monster, Jupiter, Bambino, and golden paper that I have created him into evil, because I am a manifestation into pure evil. But now it seems that all the fun has come to an end. Don't you agree? You killed Enderman and the others. Soon someone will stop you. Already. This can't be! No! Goodbye. No! No! I will do as I will. And soon, finally, I will consume his soul too.